Hi everyone! So in addition to our Go Noodle today, I am going to teach you how to make a fun, healthy version of one of my favorite snacks. Who loves ice cream? I know, I love ice cream. Is ice cream a healthy snack or is it an unhealthy snack? What do you think? I think ice cream is an unhealthy snack. So that's a snack that you shouldn't have every single day. I'm going to teach you a new way to have ice cream, but with a healthier choice using bananas. That's all you need. So I'm going to teach you how to make healthy ice cream. When you're going to make banana ice cream, you want to make sure that the banana is starting to get little brown spots, because those brown spots mean that it's going to be sweeter. Sometimes you might even see a banana and the whole thing is brown. Don't throw it out, because that means it's going to be really, really, really sweet. You will need a banana, a bowl, and a fork. Remember, pick a banana that has brown spots because it's sweeter. Once your bananas are all mushed, just like this, you're going to put it in your freezer overnight. So you could either keep it in this bowl and cover it, or you could put it in a container if you have one. I like to put it in a container, but if you don't have one, that's okay. Just put a little cover over this bowl. Once you've let it get a little softer, you could start eating it. I'm going to put it back into the bowl because it's more fun. Now, this is ice cream, so you got to put toppings on it. So you can put sprinkles on it, you could put fruit on it. I'm going to put some cinnamon on top for some extra flavor and some extra spice. And I'm also going to put some honey on top to make it sweet. I'm using the honey instead of sprinkles because it is sweet, but it's a better choice than sprinkles. Here we go. Here we go, honey. Woo! I hope you enjoyed my fun little cooking class, even though we didn't really cook. Send me pictures or videos of your finished ice cream, or pictures or videos of you making your ice cream. I'll see you next time. Bye!